My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the website devdefense.com. This is a fake alert that now attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This fake alert tries to mislead people. It tells that your computer requires something for extra protection, and it claims to promote some software that can help you. It also says that by installing that so-called software, you'll be able to block advertisements. But in reality, the real purpose of these pop-ups by devdefense.com is to trick you into subscribing to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed as permanent push notifications. When people read all this content, they think that there is some great chance to get some great software for blocking ads. When they click on this Claim Your Protection Now button, they see the pop-up that encourages them to click on this Allow button. So that's the trick. If people mistakenly do that, their browser gets hijacked and infected. People start getting a lot of advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of the screen in the form of web push notifications. And if you have clicked on Allow button, it was surely a mistake and you need to fix your browser. Otherwise, you will keep facing a lot of such ads that will be popping up in the right part of your screen. So, to remove these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this devdefense.com, you need to remove it from the list. Finally, we recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and begin thoroughly researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner to detect and delete other threats which could possibly still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.